Imagine turning a small investment into a lucrative payout overnight. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not just a dream anymore. Today, I'm going to show you how you can start an AI side hustle with just $9,643 and potentially sell it for 10 times that amount within a year. Stay tuned as we uncover the secrets of flipping YouTube channels for massive profits. 1. Understanding channel flipping. Understanding channel flipping involves viewing YouTube channels not just as platforms for content, but as valuable digital assets that can be bought, enhanced, and sold for profit. This process is akin to real estate flipping, where you would buy a house, renovate it, and sell it at a higher price. For YouTube channels, the renovation involves increasing the subscriber base, enhancing the content quality, and boosting overall viewership. This approach leverages the growing trend where digital real estate, much like traditional property, appreciates in value as its appeal and operational income increase. A well-managed YouTube channel with a solid following and consistent ad revenue is highly attractive to potential buyers, often selling for upwards of $100,000. This potential for significant financial gain makes channel flipping a compelling side hustle, especially attractive to those looking to invest in and capitalize on the expansive digital market. By strategically growing a channel's metrics and appeal, you can turn a modest investment into a substantial economic return, illustrating the lucrative nature of digital property investment. 2. Choosing your niche. Selecting the right niche for your YouTube channel is akin to choosing the right location for a house you plan to flip. The niche you choose determines the potential growth and interest from your audience, much like how a location affects a property's value. It's essential to find a balance between what you're passionate about and what can also generate significant interest and revenue. High demand, low competition niches are digital gold mines. Consider niches like personal development, niche hobbies, or specific educational topics, areas that are evergreen and continue to draw viewers year after year. For instance, a channel focusing on DIY home repairs or mindfulness for busy professionals could capture a dedicated following, making the channel more valuable to potential buyers. By targeting these niches, you can build a specialized audience more quickly, increasing the channel's salability and profitability. 3. Creating valuable content. Creating valuable content is the bedrock of any successful YouTube channel. It's not just about providing information or entertainment. It's about creating content that deeply resonates with your viewers, compelling them to return repeatedly. To achieve this, your videos should aim to solve specific problems or address the unique needs of your audience, thereby fostering engagement and nurturing a loyal subscriber base. For instance, if your channel focuses on home fitness, you could develop a range of content from beginner workouts to advanced training programs, all designed to fit seamlessly into various lifestyles. High-quality, relatable content not only satisfies the current audience, but also encourages them to share your videos, naturally extending your reach. Moreover, when viewers find real value in your content, they are more likely to subscribe and eagerly await your next video. This active viewer engagement not only boosts your channel's visibility through YouTube's algorithms, but also enhances its overall value. By consistently delivering content that meets the viewer's expectations and interests, you establish a strong, sustainable foundation for your channel's growth. 4. Building and growing the channel. Growing a YouTube channel into a valuable asset requires more than just posting videos. Implementing search engine optimization, SEO, strategies is crucial. This means using the right keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags to improve visibility and discoverability. Consistency is key in content creation, not just in posting frequency, but in maintaining quality and a cohesive theme across your channel. Regular uploads keep your audience engaged and signal to YouTube's algorithm that your channel is active, which can boost your ranking in search results. Engaging with your audience through comments and community posts can also enhance viewer loyalty and increase the chances of your videos being recommended. These strategies combined will help you build a robust digital presence, attracting more subscribers and increasing your channel's marketability. 5. Monetization strategies. Monetizing your YouTube channel effectively can significantly increase its value before you consider selling. The most straightforward method is through ad revenue, generated by enabling YouTube's monetization features, which pay you based on the views and interactions with ads on your videos. However, don't just rely on ads. Diversify with sponsorships and affiliate marketing. Sponsorships involve partnering with brands that want to target your audience, providing a substantial income boost, especially if your channel fits a specific niche with a dedicated following. Affiliate marketing, where you earn commissions by promoting products or services, can also be highly lucrative. Include affiliate links in your video descriptions and directly within your content to maximize earnings. By utilizing these monetization strategies, you not only increase your income, but also demonstrate to potential buyers that the channel has multiple revenue streams, making it a more attractive investment. 6. When to sell. Deciding when to sell your YouTube channel for maximum profit involves careful consideration of several factors. Key indicators include market demand, subscriber count, and overall channel revenue. Ideally, you want to sell when the channel is on an upward trajectory, when subscriber growth is steady and revenue is increasing. This signals to potential buyers that the channel has momentum and room for further growth, potentially fetching a higher price. Monitor market trends closely. If there's a surge in demand for channels within your niche, it may be an opportune time to sell. Additionally, consider personal factors, whether you can continue to invest time and resources into growing the channel. If maintaining growth becomes unsustainable, it might be the right time to cash out and reap the rewards of your hard work. 7. Finding buyers. Locating potential buyers for your YouTube channel involves tapping into the right networks and platforms where digital properties are traded. Online marketplaces like Flippa and FameSwap are popular for buying and selling digital assets, including YouTube channels. These platforms provide a structured environment where sellers can list their channels, highlighting key metrics such as subscriber count, average views, and revenue, making it easier to attract interested buyers. Additionally, you can leverage forums and social media groups dedicated to digital marketing and online entrepreneurship. Networking within these communities can open doors to private buyers looking for a ready-made channel. Remember to present your channel effectively, showcasing its growth potential and profitability to catch the eye of serious investors. Utilizing these platforms and networks can significantly increase your chances of finding a buyer willing to pay a premium for your digital asset. 8. Legal and financial considerations. Selling a YouTube channel involves several legal and financial considerations to ensure a smooth transfer of ownership and secure payment. Firstly, ensure that all agreements are documented in a legally binding contract that outlines the terms of sale, responsibilities of each party, and any warranties regarding the channel's condition and earnings. It's important to verify that the channel does not violate any YouTube policies, as this could complicate the sale. Utilizing escrow services for the transaction can safeguard both parties by holding the funds until all conditions of the sale are met. This method provides security and builds trust, reducing the risk of fraud. Additionally, consider consulting with a legal advisor familiar with digital properties to navigate any complexities related to intellectual property rights and transfer of digital assets. Properly addressing these legal and financial aspects is crucial for a successful sale and can prevent potential disputes post-transaction. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more insightful tips on turning side hustles into serious cash. See you in the next video.